everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to clear cache from MetaMask application. So now without any further ado, let's begin with the steps. So first of all, launch settings on your mobile device. Here we go. Now once you're here, simply scroll down below and then tap on the option of apps. Now once you are here, you can either scroll down through your apps or you can simply go to the search bar and then search for MetaMask. Now tap on the application. Now once you are here, simply scroll down below and you'll see the option of storage. Tap on that option. Now, once you are here on this page, at the bottom right corner of your screen, you can see the option of clear cache. Tap on it. Now, by doing this step, you will be able to clear cache from MetaMask application. Now, another step that you can do in order to clear cache from MetaMask is that simply launch MetaMask application. Now, once you are here, make sure that you are logged on to your account. Now, at the bottom right corner, you can see a gear icon. Simply tap on that icon. Now, once you are here, simply tap on the option of security and privacy. With that, you will be led to this page. Now scroll down below. And then you'll see options like Clear Privacy Data. Now simply tap on Clear Privacy Data. Now tap on the option of Clear. Now in case if you have Clear Browser History option, tap on it and follow these same steps in order to clear data. Now tap on Clear Browser Cookies. Now tap on Clear again. Now, just tap on the browser icon just beside the gear icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, you will be led to this page. Now, just simply tap on the square icon that says 1. Now, simply close this new tab. So, by following these easy steps, you'll be able to clear cache from MetaMask application. And that's all for today. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.